All rise.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Madam Chair, Commissioners, Lead Council, viewers and listeners, members of the press, good morning and welcome back to our daily proceeding of this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters. Without wasting time, I have the honor to yield the floor to Madam Chair for our next item on our today's agenda. Madam Chair, over to you.
I will call on Honorable Sila to lead us in Muslim prayers and Honorable Joanna to lead us in Christian prayers. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يأتون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسي السماوات والأرض ولا يعد إفسهما وهو العلي العظيم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق والخاتم لما سبق الناس الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره ومقداره العظيم. إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما صلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. فاتحة. Amen.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Amen. Gracious Spirit, Holy Ghost, we appreciate you each day and your manifold blessings. Grant us deeper insights and knowledge to go through the day. Come into our hearts to stay. Direct our affairs. Let your purpose and plans for us stand. And may your divine grace continue to abide with us now and forevermore. Amen.
Mr. Gay, can you please check the register to call in the witness?
Good morning, Mr. Witness. Welcome back.
Good morning, Mr. Secretary.
Mr. Witness, for continuation of your testimony before this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters, may I remind you that you are still under oath before I hand you over to Madam Chair for us to proceed. Thank you. Madam Chair, I hand over the witness to you.
Good morning, Mr. Kanteh.
Morning, ma. Good morning.
You're welcome back. I hope you had your breakfast.
I'm fasting anyway.
You're fasting Council, can we proceed?
Good morning, everyone present. Good morning, honorable commissioners. Mr. Kanteh, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, you were asked to bring some documents today. Did you bring them? Your cash book?
Anyway, for that of cash book, I'm still searching.
You are still searching for your cash book?
Yes.
Okay. Did you not give that to the investigators?
The cash books? No, I did not.
You did not. Since when was it missing?
When I went for a leave, when I went for an annual leave, then they transfer from that office, from the old building to the new building.
Which year was this?
This was in 2023.
20?
It's just last audit, 2023.
2023?
2023.
Okay. Now you cannot produce the cash book?
As of now.
And it's from which year to which year? The cash book is the entries is from when?
Maybe was this 444? It's a big book. This from 2019 to date.
2019.
Yes.
Not 18.
No, I don't think 2018. Yes.
But how about your cash book in 2018? Was you a cashier in 2015?
No, from 2018 to date. These are big cash books. I left it in the office. Then I went for a holiday. Or I can see.
Please increase your voice. Increase your voice, please.
I mean, I went for when I came back, I found out the office is transferred. So during that transfer, some are even telling me maybe it's with the national audit or any other thing, but I'm not sure.
So this receipt that you are given by Mr. Suso, as far as you're concerned, your assertion is you will collect monies and then give it to Mr. Suso, the then finance manager.
No. You know what happened? If I reconcile, that's my limitation. I do my job and then collect from the collectors, then I reconcile with Suso, and then that's my limitation.
And you hand over the monies to Mr. Suso?
Yes.
That's what I said?
Yes.
Unless you want to backtrack on that?
No. You know what happened in that situation? Since 2018, they have changed the system.
No, forget the system. You hand over the monies to Mr. Suso?
Yes, let me explain that.
Yes.
Because it was only a flat rate that is paid through money. That's cash, flat rate. All other big catches are all going to the bank.
When was this?
This was 2018 to date.
All other payments are made to the bank?
They all go to the bank. It's only flat rate.
Except flat
rate, yes. It's only flat rate that is coming to our office during that time.
Yes. So the monies that you are said to have not been able to produce the deposit slips, were all those monies paid to the bank, or were they all paid in cash?
Majority is paid to the bank. It's only the flat rate that is.
Which account is that? Which account?
I mean flat rate. It's only flat rate that is cash.
No, I am asking you. The 2019 audit report. There's an amount of about $44 million that you have collected, but you cannot produce the deposit slips. Is that not the case? Are you saying some of those monies are flat rates and some are supposed to be paid to the bank?
Yes, some are supposed to be paid to the bank. Some are flat rates. But I think flat rate is very small. These are the 100.
Which bank account will they pay this revenue?
No, I said my limitation is my.
No, if you are saying some will pay to the bank.
These payments are done by the finance managers.
The finance
managers. It's not me.
No. You issue out a GTR receipt. Is that not the case? For example, if you turn to page 51 of the 2019 audit report, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
It says that you, Lamin Kanteh, Lamin K. Kanteh, you issued out a receipt, the amount of $74,000. Do you follow?
I'm listening.
Page 51. Lamin K. Kanteh, Cashier. Have you seen that, your name? On page 51. 2019 audit report. Are you there with me?
Yes, yes.
So where they write the TR, what would that mean? The TR number, what is that?
This one, I don't think this is in my CRP, it's in our CRPR.
It's not in your CRBR?
I don't think.
You don't think so?
No, no, no. These numbers are too long.
They are too long?
They are not, I don't think.
Now, when you turn to page 52, you have Lamin Kanteh Cashier on the 8th of August 2019. Have you seen that?
Yes, yes.
The amount of $353,750. Do you see that?
I see that.
But that's a GTR number. 30126071344. 344. Is that also too long?
This one too is too long.
That is what?
I believe this is not our GTRs.
This is not your GTR?
I don't think.
But it's in your name. Do you have another privately sourced GTR?
No, this, you know me, I'm receipted by my boss.
Your what?
My boss. They give me the receipt.
Yes.
Sample of it are here.
Yes.
But I don't think this is in our CRBR. These numbers.
You don't think these numbers are in your CBR,
No,
CRBR?
CRBR.
Now, what sample do you have there?
I have one sample. Just.
If these numbers are not there, then it only means that possibly these numbers, there are privately sourced receipts. Then, is that not the case?
It's like that because these ones I cannot even remember when we have this.
You are saying it appears as if they are privately sourced receipts.
Yeah, it's a private.
Different from the official receipts.
Definitely.
And this would have been issued to you by?
This one, I think this is from the director.
From the?
This is director of finance.
Who was director of finance at the time?
Alaji Jeng.
In 2018 and 19?
Yes.
Alaji Jeng.
Alaji Jeng.
But you were the cashier, and if you had issued this receipt, you would have known that it is not in your CRBR.
You know, I told you from the onset that this information was not filtered to me.
Well, no, I'm saying.
No, the audit report.
No, I'm not talking about the audit report. If you have been issued, because these receipts, they found them in your cash book. These findings were what the auditor found in your cash book before it was lost. Is that not the case?
Yes, that's
you
the
were
case.
audited.
I am audited.
And they found this in your cash book.
Yes.
These records were in your cash book. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree.
And these numbers were found in your cash book. Okay. So if they are unusual numbers, then why did you not raise the alarm back then?
This is what I told you. I was not informed about this audit report.
It's not about the audit report. It's about the cash book. If they reflect in your cash book, then you would have known that these numbers, they don't exist officially. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
I understand. But
what am I trying to say?
You're talking about this, the GTR numbers.
It is your evidence that the GTR numbers, they don't seem to be usual.
Anyway, that's my belief. It's
Number one, if you don't produce your cash book, how will we know?
That is why I told you this is a very big blow to me, because I thought that the office belonged to all of us.
The office belongs to all of you.
When I am out, then office material should remain in the office.
Mr. Kanteh, that's not true. I had read to you the provisions of the financial manual. He has said clearly, in fact, you, more than anybody else, should be extremely careful in relation to how you handle Council's funds as the cashier. That it should be safe. Is that not the case? Is that not the case, sir?
Yes, yes.
This we had done yesterday.
Yes.
That you, as the principal cashier, you are even supposed to take this money and take it to the bank.
But that is not what is happening in Brikama area.
Well, whatever policy or procedure you choose to adopt, that is you, Brikama Area Council. But I am just saying, I had read to you what the law is. Is that not the case?
Anyway, that's the law, but that is not applicable to our institution as of now. We just reconcile and then give everything to the finance managers to take care of it.
Now, For all these amounts, when were you in fact audited in 2019? Do you recall?
No, I cannot recall the month.
But you recall we were audited. Being audited?
Yes.
And you were present?
I was present.
And you gave them your cash book?
I gave them the cash book.
And these findings are from your cash book?
Yes.
Do you agree with that?
I agree.
And these numbers would be in your cash book. That is why they wrote it down. And then the idea is that there are no deposit slips to ascertain whether these payments were in fact paid to the bank accounts or not. Is that not the case?
Yes.
Please increase your voice.
I mean, these payments, I don't go to bank to do any payment or any other bank transaction since 2018.
Yes.
All these transactions are done by my finance managers.
Yes. No, you have already said that.
They are the people who usually spend or go to the bank and do all bank transactions.
Yes.
For me, since 2018, I did not appear in any bank either to deposit or make withdrawal.
Yes. The evidence, to be fair with you, it has shown that you only probably had gone to the bank maybe once or so, and it's not even a significant number.
No.
But that is not the issue. You were supposed to deposit this money to the bank. That is what the law says.
Anyway, I believe
do you agree with that?
I believe there are people responsible for depositing. In our area, we only reconcile, and sometimes it's
Mr. Kanteh, my point is, if you are saying these numbers are they are not familiar numbers, they are very unusual numbers, I am saying that you yourself recorded these numbers in your cash book, that you would have known that they are not the official, they are not in your CRBR.
No, they give me receipts, but I don't know where these receipts come from.
No, but now you are looking at it, you are saying they are unusual receipts now.
This is what I'm saying you.
No, you are looking at these numbers now. You are saying they are not usual.
No, they are the very people who give me these receipts. Not, they just receipt my book and then finish with it.
That's fine. So we'll call Lamin Suso to react to your assertion.
Very well.
Now, what do you have with you? Which other document do you have with you?
According to my Honorable BAC, she said I should at least come with one of the Excel to identify.
One of the?
This new system that they brought in.
The printouts?
Yes. No, this is it.
Please be very, very clear regarding what you have.
I mean the newly system that we adopt.
Yes.
So that is what she said she want to see it.
What system is that?
That is the Excel type now.
Excel system?
Excel system.
From which period?
This was after last audit.
From which period? From when? When did it start? The date must be there.
February 23rd, 2020. February 23rd.
2020?
Anyway, this is 2022, but it should be 2024. I think that's a mistake.
2024?
Yes.
You are saying it is 2022, but it should be 2024?
2024, because I know the finance manager has made a mistake there. That's because we are in 2024.
So the new system started in 2024?
The new system, according what I learned here, is 2022, January 23rd, February 23rd.
Mr. Kanteh, if you don't know what you are saying, how will we be able to
February 23rd, 2022.
Let me see the document.
That's the document.
You were given a receipt dated the 23rd of February 2022. You are saying it's supposed to be 2024. Please increase your voice. Yes. And who signed the receipt?
The finance manager is there.
The finance manager? What's the name of the finance manager?
It's Yaya Ba now. Yaya Ba.
Yaya Ba?
Yes.
The amount is $12,341,747.
Yes.
That was received from you?
Yes.
In 2024?
Yes.
Why is that? Should this money not be taken to the bank?
That's our system. We don't have. We bank everything. Then there they can just withdraw and then do their transactions.
You what?
I mean, our system right now, everything has to go to the bank.
Yes.
Then from there they can they can do their
So
disbursement.
you took this money to the bank.
No. These are the collectors who never normally go for banking.
Then why were you given this receipt then?
I'm the cashier. So anybody who comes, I will at least give you a receipt.
Receipt.
So they will just reconcile that receipt and then make sure, and then they give me my.
But this information, it does not tell you where the monies are being paid to.
No, this information is from my from my book.
Which book is that?
That's right now the GTR I'm using.
Where is it?
Right now, what the GTR I'm using? No, I did not bring that.
Where will you extract information from the GTR book you are using right now, which will not be complete, and then just give us copies?
No. This is already completed.
Where is the GTR book you're using?
The GTR books, I left it at the office. You know, I am not in control of it.
Since
If I
when?
am, no, this is just, I think, starting from there. This Excel program from Excel program to date.
Okay.
So any book you are ready with it, you have to give them. So they are in control of all the GTRs.
I don't understand what you are saying, Mr. Kanteh. What you are supposed to do is to bring your, no, just show the commissioners.
Just show the commissioners.
What you are supposed to do is to bring the cash book you are using.
Right now, this is the cash book.
You don't have a cash book right now.
No, right now this one replaced the cash book.
You don't have a cash book now.
Right now we are using Excel.
You don't have a cash book. It's a very simple question. Do you have a cash book or not?
No cash book as of
Since
now.
when?
This is just when we started this Excel.
Since when?
I cannot remember exactly what month.
Mr. Kanteh, if I tell you when were you born, you will tell me when they constructed that road in Banjul. We need to know the timeline.
That is true, but then honestly, I don't want to.
Because I don't know when you started this Excel. So how will we know when you stopped using the cash book system?
2023 anyway.
2023.
Yes.
Mr. Kanteh, whilst the Honorable Commissioner is looking at your Excel sheet, I would like to ask, you just informed the Commission that you extracted this information from the cash book you are using now.
No, the GTR. The GTR I'm using.
Huh? The GTR you are using?
You know, my GTR, if they calculate it, that brings this amount.
But your GTR is a receipt.
Yes, it's a receipt.
But that GTR, you enter it in a cash book. Is that not correct?
Right now, we use the Excel system instead of using the cash book.
And who gave you instructions to not to use the set down standard procedures of accounting, to use Excel only
That's
as a form of
anyway,
entering these transactions?
For me, I know it's the management, senior management. They talk about it.
Were you given instruction through? Was it through writing or it was verbal?
No, I'm not the guy who is posting this.
No, you said it's management that gave you instruction to abandon the cash book system and to use the Excel. Is that not what you said?
Yes.
So now, I said that instruction, was it in writing or it was in verbal?
No, they did not write to me. It's in
They
verbal.
did not write to you?
Yes.
So now tell us who amongst the management instructed you to use Excel and not to use your cash book?
Former cash book.
Who?
The director of finance.
Who is the director of finance?
Alaji Jeng.
Eh?
Alaji Jeng.
Alaji Jeng. All right. So, Mr. Kanteh, just to clarify, there are two statements that were admitted, right? Two statements you gave that were admitted to the commission. Are they two statements or one statement?
Anyway, I've come with only one statement. But
It's only
for
one
the first time, I came with two statements. Then after they called me back to come for another interview, then I start with them. Then I give them the last one.
Okay. So in total you have two.
In total.
Is
Yes.
that?
Yes.
You have two.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I'm just being reminded by the registrar that the two were admitted together, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Now, Mr. Kanteh,
Yes.
this Excel sheet you have here,
Yes.
it won't inform anyone whether these monies were taken to the bank or not. Is that correct?
Anyway, this is our system.
No, we need you to answer and then you make your comments. Yes, it's true. No, it's not true.
Repeat what you've said.
That the Excel sheet you have provided,
Yes.
which seeks to replace the cash book,
Yes.
will not tell you or inform anyone or the commissioners whether in fact the monies, for example, you have one Noha Kujabi, the amount is $3,600. For value property, you have $61,280. And for a residential, you have 9,004. That place is empty. But then it wouldn't tell you where this amount is taken to the bank or not.
These amounts are all taken to the bank.
But then there will not be any deposit slip to indicate which bank it was taken to. Is that not the case?
That's the case.
So how would anyone know? You always see a GTR receipt issued to you, Lamin K. Kanteh, and the amount is $12,341,747. But whether these monies are taken to the bank or not,
This is what I'm telling you. My limitation is at that level.
but your recording must show and indicate that the monies, if you, for example, you have received monies, or you have received, let's say you have received cash from any revenue collector, it's either you receive cash or you receive deposit slip. Is that not the case?
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. It's either the revenue collector will take the money to the bank or they will pay it to you as the cashier.
No, they all go to the bank and
I
pay.
know that, depending on what obtains on the ground. In 2016, 2017, 2018, they were paying to you in cash. Is that not the case?
That was 2015 up to.
Is that not the case?
Yes, that's the case.
In 2020, the policy was it has to be taken to the bank.
Yes,
Is that not the case?
that's the case.
In which event they will now bring they are supposed to bring the deposit slip to you. If revenue collector A takes it to the bank, Eco Bank, $100,000, they will now bring you the stamped paying slip.
They used to come with the paying slip.
They don't used to come with that. We know, we have seen
I
records. We have seen records that they don't bring deposit slips, and you will still issue them out with GTR. But I'm just saying, assuming you are following the procedure, the idea is you either receive cash or you receive a bank transfer evidence, which is a deposit slip. From 2020, it's supposed to be the stamped paying slip, right?
Yes.
And then you know Mr. Amadou had paid $100,000 to EcoBank.
Yes.
There is evidence, stamped paying slip. then you use that to issue out a GTR.
Yes.
Is that not what the law says? I'm asking you.
Yes.
Is that not what the law says?
Yes.
I had read to you 905 of the financial manual regarding the subsidiary cash book that you the cashier must have.
Yes.
It says sub 3 that the total receipts of each day must be banked or paid to the main cashier at council headquarters. That's you, correct?
Correct.
When the amount has been received or stamped paying in slip from the bank has been obtained by the main cashier. He didn't even say the cashier, that's you, the main cashier. A stamped paying in slip must be produced. He will issue a receipt of the amount collected from the accounts clerk or anyone paying to you. Is that not the case?
Yeah, that's the case.
But we know that you will issue out GTRs even without seeing any evidence of stamped paying in slip. Is that correct?
Anyway,
Is that correct? Answer the question and let me make a comment.
That's not correct, but I don't think that is...
No. Whether what I am saying is true, that you will issue out a GTR without evidence of stamped paying in slip.
I don't do that.
You don't do what?
What I'm trying to put across is, there are payments that they just do it at the bank and come to me. My responsibility...
Hey, can we have the facts clear? Mr. Kanteh,
yes.
Do you not issue out to revenue collectors GTRs receipts without seeing evidence of deposit slips?
No.
You don't do that?
I don't do that.
When you gave Jenaba Cham the GTR receipt book, did you see a deposit slip?
What they told me is...
Answer the question.
What they told me
Answer the question. Did you see a deposit slip first?
I did not see the deposit slip.
No, wait a minute. You made payment, you gave GTR receipt to Jenaba Cham.
Yes.
Without seeing deposit slip.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
But
you most times will issue out GTRs without seeing deposit slip. Is that true?
Let me explain that.
No, is that true first?
Allow me to come so that we can...
Go ahead.
I mean, for that of Jenaba's issue,
Yes.
these are direct bank payments.
Yes.
It's Swami Gambia that paid to the institution. So that is why when he come with the number, I asked Jenaba, this number is too huge, because you are not supposed to collect more than $10,000, but this time around it's about 140, 300, which is too much. Then that is where he told me this is Swami India. Then I'm comfortable with that because of her elderly person, and I don't think she can think otherwise. Then
because it's an elderly person.
I gave her receipt. Yes.
Because Jenab is an elderly person.
Elderly person. I don't think she can think like that. Then I give her.
You don't think she can think like what?
To deceive the institution.
Deceive you. That is, if you are not working together. Did she show you a paying in slip, stamp one?
No, they said this is bank transfer.
Answer the question. Was it shown to you, yes or no?
No.
Simple. Why are you trying to be difficult, Mr. Kanteh?
I'm not.
Was that shown to you?
I'm not.
It was never shown to you?
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. Most revenue collectors will come and you will issue them with a GTR receipt without you being shown a stamped in paying slip, a deposit slip. Is that not true? We have the evidence here. If you say it's not true, I will show you.
Okay, I just want to see the evidence so that I can back myself. Or I can report to the commission, because this is a very sensitive issue that you're talking of.
Mr. Kanteh. Just that page alone, and this applies to almost all the revenue collectors. What is the name of the person who owns that?
This is Bakari Darame.
It's a revenue collector.
It's a revenue collector.
Just pick any GTR number there. Receipt book. Receipt there.
There is not. I told you this.
Just pick anyone and we discuss that one. I I had turned a page for you, Mr. Kanteh. What are you doing?
Okay. Okay.
What is the amount?
This is 8,400.
Is that a GTR receipt?
That is my GTR receipt.
Does it have a deposit slip?
What happened to this boy?
Does it have
It did
a
not.
deposit slip accompanying the GTR?
No.
Simple.
Okay,
No, now you explain.
Very good. You know what happened to this boy?
Oh,
He's using his mobile
yes.
to put everything there, because what he told me is this is too heavy to go with it. To have this stamp and then you paste it there.
Okay.
So that is why he is using this.
That is why he is what?
He is doing this, but all the facts are with him.
All the?
All the facts are with him. If you happen to call his attention, he will come with
That's fine. We have one for Momodu Jadama as well. So many for Momodu Jadama, in fact. Now you tell us what happened to Momodu Jadama for that $11,000 plus
Let me-
GTR you issued without a deposit slip. What is that? What is the amount?
10,370.
Is there that is on the GTR? Where is the deposit slip?
The deposit slip is with Modu Jadama.
Okay, but it's not in that cash book.
It's not in the cash book. But
Have
it's
you
with-
seen a deposit slip?
Yes, I have seen the deposit slip. It's with him.
Okay.
And I advise him to place it inside his cash
Don't
book.
advise anyone. Advise yourself. You can't even produce a cash book. You are advising people what to do. You don't even know your job, Mr. Kanteh. Or let me say, you know your job, but you deliberately engage in fraud. I had told you yesterday that you are the primary, you are the main individual that is enabling and taking part in fraudulent activities in Brikama Area Council, Mr. Kanteh.
No,
And I will show you proof.
no.
You know, there are times, in fact, when the amounts of the amounts in the GTR that you will issue will not be the same with the amount of money that will be deposited into the bank accounts. Do you know that?
No.
You don't know that?
No.
Mr. Kanteh, how comes you don't know that? I'm surprised. You should know that.
So you know I am guided by the audit department too. Because I am guided by the audit department in our area, internal audits.
And
So anything
you should guide yourself. You should be guided by the financial manual, the Finance and Audit Act, all those relevant laws.
but even me, they have to come to my office for scrutiny almost every week.
You have to see whether you are doing your job right.
Yes.
That's Jennifer Cham.
General Cham, yes.
You issued her multiple GTR receipts without deposit slips. Is that not correct?
She has her deposit slip.
Don't speak for them. You cannot speak for them. Do you see a deposit slip there?
No.
Where is the deposit slip? Have you seen it when you were issuing out?
Yes.
You have seen it.
Yes.
When you issued out the GTR.
The GTR.
Where's your copy?
I did not come with any copy
Okay. Can you produce all these copies
for this one.
for all these GTRs?
I believe I can do that.
How can you do that if your cash book is lost?
No. This is bank deposit slips. It's different from that of the cash book.
You what?
Bank deposit slips is
Where
different from
where do you keep them?
at the office.
Okay, that's fine. Then from 2018, can you produce all the bank deposit slips from 2018?
No.
What do you mean? No.
What happened was when I went for a leave,
Mr.
but the
Kanteh,
office was completely transferred. So during this course of transfer,
from which period can you produce your the bank deposit slips?
right now from 2023 to date, I can give you all the receipts
2023.
to date.
You just gave us everything you have. Now let me show you. But now you have seen that the cash books will not be accompanied by a deposit slip for the most part of it, right? Have you seen that?
Yes, I have seen that.
And you accept that?
I have accepted.
And you don't have evidence to the contrary? You don't
believe
have
that-
evidence to the contrary? You don't have evidence to show that, well, these are the deposit slips? You don't have that evidence?
No, the evidence are there.
From 2023.
From 2023.
But 2022 you don't have.
Yes, because this is what
2022, let's get the facts and we move on. 2022 you don't have.
Yes.
2021 you don't have.
Yes.
2019 you don't have. 2020 you don't have.
No.
You don't have them.
No, no.
Good. Now you know Mustafa Juf.
Yes.
Let me show you. You gave him you gave Mustafa Juf a receipt. Is that not true, GTR?
Yes, yes.
What is the date of the receipt?
2022. 2022.
The 19th?
19 April 2022.
19 April 2022. What is the amount?
262,000.
Can you increase your voice?
262,000.
Is there issued to you or given to you a deposit slip by Mustafa Juf?
These are bank transfers.
Is that?
Bank transfer. So they only come, they just come with the figure and then tell me this is bank transfer and I give.
How will they come with the figure?
You know, we have a lodgement log.
Yes.
So you will find this in our lodgement log.
Yes.
That this amount is there.
Yes.
Yes. This is why I issue him a receipt. But with all that, the audit department too are there to guide us in every week. They have
forget the audit department. Let's talk about your role. No, don't close that book. We are not yet done. Why are you doing that, Mr. Kanteh?
No, it's here. It's here.
Now we have the lodgement log here.
Yes.
We will show you. You will see the name of Mustafa Juf.
Yes. Okay, this
is that the lodgement log?
Yes, yes.
Which year?
2022. 2022.
2020 what?
2022. And it's bearing the same amount, 262,000.
It's what?
It's bearing the same amount.
But we see there's alteration with respect to the amount. The amount that was there was 626. But what amount do you have now?
626.
What is the amount? 26?
262.
262.
Yes.
It appears it was altered. Is that not the true? Is not the case?
No, it's not the case. It's not the case. You know, the signature of the auditor is there too.
My friend, but it was altered.
Yes, there.
You have either the auditor or you, Mr. Kanteh, who wrote on the amount.
This is the first time I'm seeing this.
Yes, but I'm just saying the amount is altered. It's not true.
Yes, it's altered.
Yes, but the amount we have now is 262.
262.
$262,000.
Yes.
Which bank?
No, I cannot tell.
Is there? It's Trust Bank.
Okay, it's Trust Bank.
Trust Bank. And that corresponds with the receipt that you issued.
Yes.
How much did you issue receipt for?
262,000.
262,000. Did you see a deposit slip?
No.
You did not see a deposit slip?
No.
Mr. Kanteh, you said that you normally see the deposit slip.
No, the ones we are talking about, these are bank transfers. So
but you must see the deposit slip.
These are bank transfers. They are, you know.
What will give you evidence?
The finance managers are taking care of all the bank transfers.
This is not a bank transfer. This is the lodgement log. But the amount of money that the POS machines generate.
Yes.
Yes, it's not bank transfer. They have the POS machines. When they collect revenue using the POS machines, it will reflect in the system.
It will reflect in the system.
That is what is reflecting in that system.
Yes.
That gives you the 262. So don't confuse people telling us it's a bank transfer.
I'm not saying this is a bank transfer. I said all his transactions.
You said. You said it's a bank transfer.
You're talking of his receipts.
This amount of money, the $262,000 by Mustafa Juf, is it not what he collected?
Yes.
Is that not the case in 2022?
Yes.
Now, it is collected by Mr. Mustafa using his machine, the POS machine.
Yes.
Is that not the case?
That's the case.
Now, he is supposed to take that money to the bank.
Yes.
And come to you with a deposit slip.
Yes.
Did he show you a deposit slip?
Yes, he showed me a deposit slip.
Good. Now, and it's Trust Bank.
And it's Trust Bank, yes.
Now, let's show you the Trust Bank account. What is the period?
This is
it May?
in May, yes. 5th May. Yeah.
May 12th.
Anyway, me, I issue him that 19th, 2022.
May.
Yes, May.
Let's say May 2022, right?
Yes.
Now we will give you the Trust Bank account. Please confirm whether what you are given is the Trust Bank account of the area council. That is the account.
I'm watching.
Correct? Mr. Kanteh. It's very simple. You will know whether it's the Trust Bank account you have been given. Is that a Trust Bank account of the area council you have been given?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, simple. Are you in the month of May 2022?
Yes.
You are in the month of May 2022. Are you in the month of May 2022?
I don't understand that language.
Now, turn to May 2022. Mr. Kanteh, I had shown you the page with respect to the month of May, the year 2022. Are you there with us?
No, I'm watching. This is May, yes, but he's talking of 2022. May 5th. Yes, May 5th.
Mr. Kanteh?
Yes.
Are you in the month of May 2022?
Yes,
currently?
Yes. Currently, yes.
With respect to the bank statement, the Trust Bank statement?
Yes.
Now show us where this amount is deposited there in that month.
No, I did not see it here.
No, but you said you saw a deposit slip.
Mustafa is our line manager.
Yes.
And they are the very people who will come to us and give us advices when it comes to internal matters.
Okay.
They are the very people responsible for us.
Yes.
So for him, if he happen to come with anything,
yes,
he is liable for it. Because they are our immediate boss.
You are the most interesting person. You want to be a comedian in this commission. That's what you want to turn yourself into, Mr. Kanteh.
I don't understand.
We are asking you one question. You are now answering something totally different, giving us lectures and advice as to how someone should really be, how you look up to someone. No one really worries about that. Did you have issued a GTR to Mustafa Juf? Is that correct?
Yes.
And the amount is $262,000 is to Mustafa Juf?
Yes.
What is the date of the GTR receipt?
GTR receipt is, I think it's 2022. 19 May 2022.
You have to speak louder.
19 May 2022.
19 May 2022.
2022.
Which indicates that Mustafa had paid to the bank an amount of what? How much?
262.
Was that amount paid to the bank? The Trust Bank, is it paid there?
I believe it's paid.
No, you have the account.
No, it may be in different accounts.
No, it's Trust Bank. It's there, it's indicated that it's paid in Trust Bank.
Anyway, I did not go through that. I don't know whether it's paid to Trust Bank or any other bank.
We had covered this. The lodgement log says it was paid to Trust Bank. My point is, you will issue out a GTR receipt without having or seeing a deposit slip. And that's true.
That's true.
But you do that fraudulently. That's the point.
No, I rely on...
You do that fraudulently.
No. I cannot do that.
Because if not, if you had no financial interest, you would demand that they give you evidence of paying this money to the bank.
They give me evidence. I don't do fraudulence.
Now, look at the month of May and tell us how many payments were done by Mustafa Job. Just tell us. You have to speak out loud, please. If you see any payment,
I did not see his payments here.
There are payments there for Mustafa Job. Just look properly.
Yes, one.
Increase your voice and tell us.
Yes, I see 19 May.
It's how much?
$17,000.
Date? Date?
19 May.
19 May when? How much?
Mustafa Juf.
How much?
$17,000.
You are saying there are two 17,000 payments?
No, only one, May 19.
Yes, and then the next one?
I did not see any Mustafa Juf yet.
Can I help you, please, with the bank statement? You will see one for $40,000. Do you see that?
I'm watching, but I did not see.
You don't see that? Just take your time and then.
I did not see that.
Look at the ones that are highlighted.
This is Mustafa Juf. That is the one highlighted here. Maybe it may be in the next page, but here one is highlighted.
Just turn to the next page. You have to look at the month in the month of May.
All right, that's another Mustafa Juf.
How much?
3,617.
Let me have the book and help you.
That's the Mustafa.
You have 16th of May 2022 $43,000. You see, I am trying to help you, but you don't want to help yourself.
Maybe I am old. My sights are not very good.
You have 19th of May $17,000. Now, if you add that, that's about $60,000. $60,000 exactly, as opposed to the $262,000 that you had issued a receipt for. Yes. Where is the balance of the money?
Anyway, Mustafa is liable for it.
You are liable. You are liable.
I am just.
We have a bunch of thieves in Brikama that you will just steal money left, right, center, and then when you are caught, you will now say the other one is liable.
Big man, I think.
I am not big man. I am Mr. Gomez. And that's the language you guys will use in these area councils to give yourself authority, and then decide to spend the council's revenue anyhow you want, and your people will be suffering.
Anyway, I am not among the.
You have to prove to us.
Yeah.
Now, where is the balance of this money?
Mustafa will come and justify.
No, you are here.
For me, my role is to give them the receipt.
Your role is to make sure that they give you evidence of bank deposit.
Even with all that.
Is that not true?
No.
It's your role not to make sure you are giving bank deposits?
Yes.
Good. Were you given one?
You know what happened?
Were you given one?
Yes, I was given one.
Deposit slip?
There is some deposit slip with me.
No, I mean this one.
This one, I don't confirm, but there is a way for me to go and watch whether it's there or not.
You see,
but I believe that, it cannot be like that.
It cannot be like that?
Yes. Mustafa,
any questions for the witness?
Yes,
that's all right.
Mr. Kanteh, you have stated in your statement that in 2015 you were designated in the position of a receiving cashier. When you say receiving cashier, what do you mean?
During that year,
From 2015?
from 2015,
Yes,
there was cash payment.
cash payment.
Yeah, so 2016, they make changes to start depositing. But there, they use land transfer and that of leasing. So in 2017, they make an improvement.
Now, as a receiving cashier, when you receive the monies, do you deposit it yourself or you give it to other people to deposit?
I do reconcile with the finance manager.
No, I am asking you a direct question. I said, as a receiving cashier, when you receive these monies, do you deposit the money yourself or you give it to other people to deposit?
The manager will give it to other people to deposit for us.
And not you?
Not me.
All right. So when you said in your statement that just a minute. So when you said as receiving cashier, you were responsible for receipting and depositing revenue, you lied, because that is what you said in your statement.
This was the first statement I gave to the
So, is it true or is a lie?
No, that one is not correct. It's a lie.
It's a lie.
I accept.
Yes. All right. Now, you also confirmed that you maintained a cash book to record the daily transactions.
Yes.
And this recording of the daily transactions, you were authorized by Alaji Jeng to cancel these daily transactions, to cancel this recording of these daily transactions in your cash book and use an Excel sheet in 2023.
2023, yes.
In 2023. Yes. So prior to 2023, you were recording all these daily transactions in your cash book.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now, I will give you an exhibit. This is exhibit LGC/FD/BKAC/002. And confirm for me whether who deleted these writings in red and whether this signature is your signature.
The signature is mine.
So I will be correct to say that most of the red writings in the collector's books, you are the one that writes it there.
No.
Then why did you have to write in the collector's book and sign?
No, this was
those deletions.
Yeah, this was in 2016. So what happened
this was when?
It was 2016.
Is that 2016?
Yes. What happened was.
Let me have the book.
I mean 2018. Let me explain.
No, can you give us the correct date in that book?
I mean 2018.
So why are you telling us 2016?
No, I'm watching. Let me explain that to you.
You said what?
I mean, I'm watching. I mean my sites are not very good.
Yes.
So I want to explain that to you.
But you don't deceive the commission, because I gave you a book to look at.
This is why I said it's confirmed. This is my own handwriting.
Yes.
And this is my signature.
Now, are you an auditor to use a red pen on this?
Let me come in.
No. Answer the question first. Are you an auditor?
No.
Why did you use the red pen to scratch the amounts and write in writing the receipt number GTR and the amount therein.
Okay.
When this is supposed to be done by the auditor.
Wait.
And you signed it.
Wait, let me explain that to you again. It was like this. I found this in the office.
So this is what the cashier used to do.
Yeah, this is what I found there. So it's just this 28.
So you adopted that approach.
I adopted that approach, but
to be dealing with the collector's cash book when they come in.
Yes, this was in 2015.
So this is what you found on the ground.
This is what I found on the ground.
As a cashier.
As a cashier. So I will give you a GTR number.
The issue is we have ascertained that these revenue collectors don't pass through the auditors. These revenue collectors stop at your office and you authorize this using the stamp of the auditor to some extent in some parts. Is that not correct?
No.
So then why did you have to be,
this is why I want to explain.
Okay, explain.
Thank you. You know what happened during our before this audit exercise, 2018, before the national audit came. So they gave us this advice that I should not even put a pen on this sheet. They gave me that advice that no cashier should write on anything on this sheet. This is mainly for the internal auditors. At first, I found this situation in that office. So when they come into the office,
but Mr.
I give
Kanteh,
them.
that what you found did not stop.
No, right now it's not what is happening. Since they advised us from that day up to today.
So when did they advise you?
This was in 2018. Up to now, there is nothing like this. It's the national audit who advised us not to do it. It is not in the best interest of the institution.
Because it's fraud.
So they said it's only this.
Is it because it is fraudulent?
No, maybe we don't understand the situation. This is what they advise us to do. Every year they make improvement into our institution. Every year when they come here, we feel very comfortable because they help us to at least to improve on certain things.
Mr. Kanteh, let me have the book. So, in the same exhibit, you have issued Mr. Fatu Damfa land transfer receipts instead of GTR receipts. Right?
Yes.
And is that correct?
No,
is it correct? You just answer the question, then you can explain.
It's not correct.
Now,
can I come in?
Now, hold on. The page I am in right now, the revenue head of 28500. What revenue head is that?
Rates and tax.
Rates and taxes.
But we have now changed this.
No, wait, rates and taxes. But Mr. Juve collects license, not rates and taxes. And this receipt that you issued, which is a land transfer receipt, has a revenue head of rates and taxes. How do you reconcile that?
Anyway, let me confirm so that I can.
Please, Mr. Gay, give him the exhibit.
Where is the receipt?
The receipt, yes, the one there that you are touching, that is with the 28 something. The revenue head, you said that is rates and taxes. And Fatu...
Okay, this is license. It's instead of...
Fatu collects license. And that revenue head, you have told us, is for rates and taxes.
No, this is license 311. It's 311. It's license.
I'm not talking about the 311.
You're talking of the heads.
The receipt below.
I mean this receipt.
Yes.
It's 311. That's the revenue.
Can I have the
help her. It's 11. It's 311.
Just give me. I will show you what I'm asking you. This. So when I told you what was the revenue head of 28500, why did you tell me that it is rates and taxes?
28500.
Yes.
Rate is now changed. Rate is now 330.
So is this number I quoted for you, is it for rates and taxes?
No, I
head?
don't think it's a revenue head.
So
it's a different one. We have.
So this is a different one.
No, this one is not a revenue head.
So what you told me earlier on is incorrect.
It's incorrect.
Council, you may proceed.
Are there any questions? Yes.
Mr. Kanteh, do you have the audit report on page 52 of 2019? You have it there with you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, go to page 52.
52, yes.
Yes. On the 8th of August 2019,
Yes.
there have been 10 transactions. The first one is 353,000, 300,000, 22,000, 125,000, 4,300, 10,600, 123,000. And the other one is 1,154,000, and then 155,000, and then 65,000. That's 10 transactions. Now, enlighten me. I have seen that they all have the same GTR number. Is that normal?
You know, this is not my GTR. I told them this is from the director's book. It's
This
not
is
mine.
from?
The director's book, the main cash book.
Okay.
Okay, he's the man responsible of this.
Yeah, but it's written against your name.
Yes, yes.
How?
As I give my receipt to these other ladies, you know, this Fatu Damfa is my receipt, Jenaba is my receipt, all of this, but this one is Mr. Jeng's receipt.
No. Did you find out that it was under your name?
It's just of a reason I realized that this is happening.
And do you realize that you have issued them in all the transactions, you have used the same GTR? 10 transactions.
No, I am not doing any transaction. All the transaction is done by the senior management.
Okay, and then they ended up putting it in your name.
Yes, I think that's what
Why?
I saw. I don't know anyway. They will come here surely.
No.
I don't know anything about that, why they put my name there. Definitely.
And then you saw this before?
No, this was shown to me by this.
So now what is your position? You have nothing to do with this?
I have nothing to do with it.
Council, you can continue.
I think in that regard, Mr. Kanteh knows that he has to bring his cash book to, if he has any claim against what has been found by the auditors in the 2019 audit report. In the absence of that, the commissioners may find Mr. Kanteh, and you know this, that you will be responsible. So it is left to you to bring forward your cash book.
I have to endeavor to make sure this cash book is seen. This cash book is my life. I have to work hard to make sure it is seen. Because I have searched all over, I cannot see. But I know this cash book will be seen, inshallah, by the grace of God.
Thank you, Council, for giving me the opportunity to ask this question. the cash, the Excel cash receipts. Can I have it? Mr. Kanteh.
Yes.
This Excel cash receipt was issued to you on the 23rd of February, right?
Right.
And what does this receipt mean? What is it trying to say to us?
It's now representing the cash book.
Representing the cash book as at the 23rd of February.
Yes.
It doesn't talk about deposit here or non-deposit?
No.
Okay. Now, but the Excel sheet that you presented with the receipt does not stop at 23rd of February.
No, there are.
No, please let me don't anticipate my question. It doesn't stop at 23rd of February. It stopped at 24th of February. And interestingly, the amount stated is the same amount on your receipt. And this ends on the 24th of February, and the amount for the amount deposited is 12,341,747, which is the same amount on your receipt, which is dated on the 23rd. Why should you be given a receipt on the 23rd when your Excel sheet closes on the 24th?
Anyway, that's beyond my knowledge. It's the finance manager
Thank you.
who helped us with that.
Okay.
We apply to tender the Brikama Area Council receipt number 305-374-48, dated the 23rd of February 2022, bearing the name Lamin Kanteh, for the amount $12,341,747, and accompanying the receipt is an Excel printout five pages. The first entry in the Excel printout is dated the 3rd of February 2022, and the last date is 24th of February 2022 into evidence as an exhibit. Mr. Kanteh, who gave you this receipt?
Finance manager Yaya Ba.
Yaya Ba in 2022.
We start this Excel from 2022 to date.
But I think I heard you say that even though it's dated 2022, but it is for 2024.
No. You know, they are the very people responsible for all these transactions. My responsibility only ends with this. So if they happen to give me this, I have to park it for clarity purpose, as you are telling me right now, that I should be in control of all these things. At first it wasn't like that, but right now when you spoke to me about it, then I have to go and collect all these relevant documents and park it on my own.